My head's stuck in the microwave! It electrocuted the piss out of me, and I'm afraid it's going to do it again!
What? How did that happen?
I don't know. How does anything happen? Just help me get it off. What am I paying your rent for? Oh, God, what if my mind is succumbing to the radiation? What if this thing turns me into a freak? Get it off! Get it off! For the love of God! The frequencies are getting into my skin!
Corn dogs. Can you sneeze again? Quick, sniff these! Sniff these! Sniff these!
Huh?